Yo, what's up everyone? Welcome back. Today I'm gonna try half cab board slide 180 and maybe half cab board slide shove on the ledge. Never done it before, so let's see if I can get it. First, I'll do like 5 half cab lips to make sure I got that. Half cab lips, no problem. So now we're gonna try half cab lip 180 out the opposite direction, and then half cab lip front shove. Half cab board 180 on the ledge. Now the hard one, half cab board, shove it. Let's go half cab lip 180, half cab board shove. Landing was a bit sketchy, but I got it.